In China, where the individual diagnostics industry is thriving, Veldi Automation equipment has emerged as a rising star in manufacturing of the automated production equipment for this industry. The company has made significant contributions to enhancing the production capacity and quality of IVD products. Mr. Fang Hongcheng, the founder of the company, has been in the industry for over 20 years. With a profound technical background, he adheres to the original aspiration of craftsmanship, precision engineering, and innovation. We are committed to providing clients with a high-quality IVD automation equipment that is more efficient, reliable, durable, and user-friendly. Thanks to the excellent reputation of our equipment, Veldi Automation has gradually grown from a small factory with an area of 200 square meters and a dozen employees since its establishment in 2015. Now, the company is located in Haining Economic and Technological Development Zone, adjacent to Hangzhou. It has a modern factory certified by ISO 9001 with a plant area of 3,000 square meters. We are capable to quickly deliver large-scale standard equipment orders and customize flexible automation production lines tailored to client needs. Research and innovation have always been the driving force behind Veldi's development. Currently, the company has more than 20 technical backbones and R&D personnel. After years of dedicated efforts, the company has obtained a number of invention patents, software patents, and other certificates. Our continuously strengthened R&D platform provides a solid foundation for ensuring product quality. At the same time, we actively listen to customers' suggestions and constantly innovate and refine our manufacturing process. For each piece of equipment, we carefully select first-class accessories and spare parts. Each core part undergoes hundreds of hours of rigorous testing to guarantee superior performance and reliability, bringing the customer the best user experience. Veldi Automation can provide full-line production equipment for rapid diagnostic testing, including XYZ dispenser, continuous dispenser, reel-to-reel dispenser, reel-to-reel rotary slater, dip and dry machine, sample pad treatment machine, automatic lamination machine, test strip guillotine cutter, cassette assembly presser, automatic cassette assembly machine, pouching machine. Our practical attitude, efficient services, and premium product quality have earned the trust of over 100 clients worldwide. As the market evolves, Veldi is also continuously its capabilities and has launched a strategic cooperation with several large international medical enterprises, constantly exploring new frontiers in the development of precision equipment. Every bit of hard work is for a common goal in mind, and every effort converges into great energy. Veldi Automation is transforming and innovating in the process of its continuous growth. We will continue to uphold our entrepreneurial spirit, never forget our mission, create industry benchmarks with craftsmanship, and strive to be a leader in the manufacturing of high-quality automated equipment in the IVD field.